get started?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
What first?
Let's build the box first.
Okay. Today we're building a toilet. Ready to cut?
Yeah. Bathroom, here we come.
We're making a toilet.
Will you make another tea?
Yeah. Apple cider vinegar, ginger, and turmeric.
Look at that, Dana.
Hi! That looks hilarious. That's a very high toilet.
Yeah.
We can always raise the floor maybe in there or something.
I told you we were going to build the step
Okay, cool.
in here. It's a very high toilet.
Yeah.
I don't want to break it.
Don't put your weight on it yet.
This is going to be very tricky.
Right?
Yeah. Another day.
Another day. I would say another dollar, but no.
Come on, Alfie.
Alfie, let's go.
Sweet.
So, not even close.
Okie dokie. Whoa!
Look
Look at that.
Looks like a child seat.
It really is a weird toilet. Okay.
Drone.
Oh gosh. Good?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at
That's commanding engineering.
that. Don't say that, they would be ashamed. This is the most crooked box. Alright. Bum ba dum, bum 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 bum. Nice.
Cool. Nice. Woo! Okay, so let's measure 86.
Yeah.
Way more man. It would have been too heavy though for the whole band.
Yeah. It's really heavy.
Yeah. Sweet. Okay.
It fits.
your wall. Yeah, look at that. That is a bathroom wall. Lou, you're in the bathroom.
I'm in the bathroom. It's really small.
So should we screw the wall in?
Yeah. And it is time to work back inside the van because that is a giant rainstorm coming our way, Dana. So we gotta put everything inside the van. Not the biggest workstation, but we just gotta put in studs in between those 3 beams and get this bathroom wall in, hopefully. Good job, Dina.
Thanks. Sweet. So this one could use an L bracket, I think.
Yeah. I think I have one in my pocket.
Oh, sweet. Do you have little screws?
Yep. 20s.
Perfect. Sweet.
Bathroom wall.
We're making a wall.
I'm making the wall. This is a tiny bathroom.
Better than no bathroom, though. I don't know if we need all of your things.
Well, we need one at the top. That's how it attaches to the wall.
You might have to do that one.
Yeah.
Trade ya.
There you go. You brought dinner.
I did a newsletter. I tried to fix the internet. Your video is at 31%.
Take a look at
On
what I
our
did.
day. Oh my goodness! You even got the sidewall going.
Yeah. Go check it out.
Whoa.
No, that's the door.
Oh, that's the door.
Yeah, I was just testing out the...
But it's gonna be taller. Okay.
This just covers your bottom part. You can still make that.
Wow.
So that beam isn't not like this.
Oh my gosh.
Shall we eat dinner?
Yes, I made pasta and potatoes. So,
Cut!
this is gonna be a late night on the van. Should we put the toilet in?
Yeah. Do you need help or?
I can do it on my own. Toilet! We were gonna try to put a door in tonight, but our brains are too tired to make important decisions. So I think we should just get this toilet screwed in, and then tomorrow morning we'll be in good shape.
Yeah.
Well, that's a win.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Take a seat.
Our first chair in the van. How hilarious would that be if this is our only chair in the van, and if you wanted to sit in a chair, you would just come in here. It feels really solid.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm actually pretty impressed. Bum-ba-da-da!
Good day.
Wow. Are we gonna put away all the wood?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Hey. We're coming. Cool.
Looks pretty good.
Hope it works.
Yeah. I don't think it's going to be a pleasure to use, but it will work.
Yeah, there's just like no way to make a door that opened, like swung out.
There's no room.
Yeah.
Sliding door it is.
Yeah. Homemade.
Homemade sliding door.
DIY. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
That is pretty good.
That is some precision.
Right? One piece.
Our bathroom wall. The last
Voila.
one. Et voila.
Et voila. Look at that.
Look at that. Bathroom.
That's super cool.
We just have one final beam and then the door. And then
Yeah, like the interior beam.
Yeah.
I'm super impressed. Look. Goodbye.
Whoa.
Privacy.
Some privacy.
It's pretty cool. I really like what this wall did to the kitchen.
Yeah.
It makes this like its own space.
Slides in pretty easily.
Look at that.
Wow, the bathroom is done.
Yeah.
Amazing.
We just need to put a handle on or figure out what kind of handle we want to do.
Oh yeah, and one tiny piece of plywood by the window.
Oh yeah, because look, this is kind of funny. Oh shit, now how do you get that? Like this. One moment. So very private, but
Our van has a bathroom, and we need to connect everything.
what do you mean?
Like connect the toilet to the
Oh yeah.
water tank.
Just buy one pipe though.
Yep.
Or hose is the word. Look at that.
Pretty exciting. We're actually getting things done.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, we build a bed. Oh man, this is like a splinter city. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Alfie.
Come on.
Come on.